നമസ്കാരം. കേരള PSC സിവിൽ എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗിൻ്റെ ഇൻഫർമേറ്റീവായ മറ്റൊരു വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത് ഒരു പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറാണ്. ഡ്രാഫ്റ്റ്മാൻ ഗ്രേഡ് 1 PWD ആർക്കിടെക്ചറൽ ഡിപ്പാർട്ട്മെൻറ്റിൽ നിന്നാണ് വേക്കൻസി റിപ്പോർട്ട് ചെയ്തിരുന്നത്. കാറ്റഗറി നമ്പർ 65/2016. എക്സാം നടന്നത് 19/6/2017 ആൽഫ കോഡ് A ആയിട്ടുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറാണ് നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് നേരെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറിലേക്ക് പോകാം. Question 21. If a force acts on a body, it sets up some resistance to the deformation. This resistance is known as, correct answer, option A, stress. Question 22. The term deformation per unit length is applied for, correct answer, option B, strain. Question 23. Modulus of elasticity is the ratio of, correct answer, option C, stress to strain. Question 24. The ratio of lateral strain to the linear strain is called, correct answer, option D, Poisson's ratio. Question 25. The value of Poisson's ratio for steel varies from, correct answer, option B, 0.25 to 0.35. Question 26. The algebraic sum of the resolved parts of a number of forces in a given directions is equal to the resolved part of their resultant in the same direction. This is known as, correct answer, option B, principle of resolution of forces. Question 27. The resultant of two forces P and Q acting at an angle theta is, correct answer, option B, square root of P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. Question 28. In order to determine two effects of forces acts on the body, we must know, correct answer, option D, all of the above. Question 29. In a compound lever, the leverages of all the simple levers is, correct answer, option C, multiplied. Question 30. The force of friction between two bodies, one lying above the other, depends upon the roughness of the, correct answer, option A, area of their contact. Question 31. According to Lami's theorem, the three forces, correct answer, option D, may not be any of the two. Question 32. The center of gravity of hemisphere lies at a distance of dash from its base. Correct answer, option A, 3r/8. Question 33. The bending moment at the free end of a cantilever beam carrying any type of load is, correct answer, option A, 0. Question 34. Inverted T-section is subjected to shear force F. The maximum shear stress will occur at, correct answer, option B, neutral axis of the section. Question 35. When a solid shaft is subjected to torsion, the shear stress included in the shaft at its center is, correct answer, option A, 0. Question 36. The relation between Young's modulus E, shear modulus C and bulk modulus K is given by, correct answer, option C, E equal to 9 kc by 3k plus C. Question 37. A localized compressive stress at the area of contact between two members is known as, correct answer, option B, crushing stress. Question 38. The total strain energy stored in a body is termed as, correct answer, option A, resilience. Question 39. The stress included in a body when suddenly loaded is dash the stress induced when the same load is applied gradually. Correct answer, option C, twice. Question 40. A beam which is fixed at one end and free at the other is called, correct answer, option D, cantilever beam. Question 41. The bending moment on a section is maximum where shear force is, correct answer, option C, changing sign. Question 42. When a load on the free end of a cantilever beam is increased, failure will occur, correct answer, option A, at the fixed end. Question 43. The bending moment diagram for a simply supported beam loaded in its center is, correct answer option B, an isosceles triangle. Question 44. A section of beam is said to be in pure bending if it is subjected to, correct answer option C, constant bending moment and zero shear force. Question 45. The section modulus of circular section about an axis through its center of gravity is, correct answer option D, pi d cube by 32. Question 46. The maximum deflection of a cantilever beam of length L with a point load W at the free end is, correct answer option A, WL cube by 3 EI. Question 47. The load required to produce a unit deflection in a spring is called, correct answer option C, spring stiffness. Question 48. The hoop stress in a thin cylindrical shell is, correct answer option D, circumferential stress. Question 49. According to Euler's column theory, the crippling load for a column of length L with one end fixed and the other end is hinged. Correct answer option C, 2 pi square EI by L square. Question 50. Factor of safety is defined as the ratio of, correct answer option A, ultimate stress to working stress. Question 51. In order to determine the natural features such as valley, river, lakes, etc., the surveying is preferred is, correct answer option D, topographical surveying. Question 52. When the position of a point is to be located accurately by a perpendicular offset, the direction of perpendicular is set out by means of, correct answer option B, optical square. Question 53. In an optical square, the angle between the first incident ray and the last reflected ray is, correct answer option C, 90 degree. Question 54. The obstacle which obstructs vision but not chaining is a, correct answer option C, hill. Question 55. In a prismatic compass, the zero of the graduated ring is located at, correct answer option B, south end. Question 56. The magnetic bearing of a line is 55 degree 30 minute and the magnetic declination is 4 degree 30 minute west. The true bearing of a line will be, correct answer option D, 51 degree. Question 57. The theodolite is an instrument used for measuring very accurately, correct answer option C, horizontal and vertical angle. Question 58. The image formed by the objective in the plane of crosshairs is, correct answer option B, real inverted. Question 59. The brightness of the image dash the magnify power. Correct answer option D, varies inversely as the square of. Question 60. An angle measured clockwise from the preceding survey line to the following survey line is called, correct answer option A, direct angle. Question 61. A twisted bar has about dash more yield stress than ordinary mild steel bar. Correct answer option D, 50%. Question 62. In singly reinforced beam, steel reinforcement is provided in, correct answer option A, tensile zone. Question 63. The natural axis of a balanced section is called, correct answer option B, critical neutral axis. Question 64. The longitudinal shearing stresses acting on the surface between the steel and concrete are called, correct answer option A, bond stresses. Question 65. For reinforcing bar in compression, the average bond stress can be increased by, correct answer option B, 25%. Question 66. The main advantage of a steel member is that it, correct answer option D, all of these. Question 67. For rivet diameters up to 24 mm, the diameter of rivet hole is larger than the diameter of rivet by, correct answer option B, 1.5 mm. Question 68. The rivet line is also known as, correct answer option D, all of these. Question 69. If the thickness of plate is T mm and the nominal diameter of rivet is D mm, Then according to Unwin's formula, correct answer option B, D equal to 6 square root of T. Question 70. The load on connection is not eccentric for correct answer option C, double cover butt joint. Question 71. Marble is an example of correct answer option C, metamorphic rock. Question 72. In order to dry the quarry sap of a freshly quarried stone, it should be exposed to open air for a period of correct answer option C, 6 to 12 months. Question 73. The dressing of stone is done. Correct answer option A, immediately after quarrying. Question 74. The length of a curved tile varies from correct answer option C, 15 to 20 centimeter. Question 75. The lime which consists almost entirely of calcium oxide is called correct answer option B, rich lime. Question 76. A good quality cement should have higher percentage of correct answer option D, tricalcium silicate. Question 77. The initial setting time of rapid hardening cement should not be less than correct answer option A, 30 minutes. Question 78. The rate of hydration and hydrolysis of cement depends upon its correct answer option B, fineness. Question 79. The solvent used in cement paints is correct answer option C, water. Question 80. The central part of a tree is called correct answer option B, pith. Question 81. The minimum load which will cause failure of a foundation is called dash of the soil. Correct answer option C, ultimate bearing power. Question 82. The maximum bearing capacity of soil is that of correct answer option A, hard rocks. Question 83. When two or more footings are connected by a beam is called correct answer option C, strap footing. Question 84. The diameter of the drilled piles should not exceed correct answer option C, 600 mm. Question 85. For the precast reinforced concrete piles, the quality of concrete recommended is correct answer option B, M150 to M200. Question 86. For DPC at plinth level, commonly adopted material is correct answer option D, cement concrete. Question 87. A brick which is cut in such a way that the width of its one end is half that of a full brick is called correct answer option A, king closer. Question 88. A stone wall provided to protect the slopes of cutting in natural ground from the action of weather is known as correct answer option B, breast wall. Question 89. The sill in a wooden partition wall is the dash wooden member. Correct answer option C, lower horizontal. Question 90. The projections which help in securing the head of a door frame to the masonry are called correct answer option A, horns. Question 91. No deduction is made for the opening each up to correct answer option A, 0.1 meter square. Question 92. The bearing of roof or floor slab is given same as the thickness of slab usually. Correct answer option B, 10 to 15 centimeter. Question 93. For calculating length of the steel bar, length of one hook may be taken as where D is the diameter of the bar. Correct answer option C, 9D. Question 94. Weight of 1 meter cube of steel. Correct answer option A, 7850 kg. Question 95. The scrap value of a building may be about dash of its total cost of construction. Correct answer option C, 10%. Question 96. Dash depends on the amount of depreciation allowed per year. Correct answer option A, book value. Question 97. The amount of annual installment of the sinking fund may be found out by the formula dash S equal to total amount, N equal to number of year, I equal to rate of interest. Correct answer option B, SI by 1 plus I raised to n minus 1. Question 98. The mortgage value of a property is taken as dash of the capitalized value. Correct answer option A, 1 by 2 to 2 by 3. Question 99. Unit of earthwork excavation is. Correct answer option B, 10 meter cube. Question 100. The percentage of mortar usually required for brick masonry is. Correct answer option C, 33%.